I'm the Farai and dog Skillmore, cause we kill more sound. It's Chick Fu, aka Jungle Rap Junior the future. Yo!
Ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war. They're ready, yes, we noble song. Ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war. They're ready, yes, we war. Oh, yes, they're ready, yes, we war. They're ready, yes, we war. Ready for kill them noble works that they building. If any boy cross by that quick slot out, we tell them about the children. Still when too many they be sound them act like children. We need to kill them. We kill when we play a new dub, kid him in the club. Some of them run, cause we skill men. See when this smoke this fire, see I'm not a liar. Noble work, fun on a song, but they down to the ground, them a real life wire. All them other idiots on retire, all get burned out the fire. Cause noble works is the sound that come to take you higher, take you higher. Cause you're listening to the sound of the one with the trophy. Them the rap no skin teacher, them why they not jokey. This pack up on a sound, yes, some players and hopey. Don't play a dub that will kill them. When noble works, yes, in the dance, yes, and in the building. Them comfy killer sound, only dealing straight killing. So pack up on a sound, yes, come off of the floor. Because them ready, yes, we war. Ready, yes, we war.
They're ready for war, people. Noble works.
They're ready, yes, we noble song. Ready, yes, we war.